picture of me when I will show like that. Chris, I wanna sound. Chris, make video. I wanna memorize the sounds.
The only sounds I'm getting now is your voice.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And yeah, but they're not coming too fast. Go for it. You're good. You're good. You're good. Wait, now
Ina has picked up a thermal file from Yellowstone.
I'm gonna try after. No, damn it.
Okay, good now. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
It happened all my 48 years. I've never seen it happen before. There was a big guy that walked right down the boardwalk. It was about that wide. And the person yelled at me, "Hey, look behind you!" I turned around, this bison was coming right down the boardwalk, right over there between the railings. And then I think he realized he wanted to go over the fence.
Are you really gonna totally let me watch?
She died. She died.
I don't want it. This is my mood.
What would cause it to go near that?
The delicious smell of sulfur. And the health benefits of moisturizing.
Moisturizing its buffalo skin.
This bison has a knife of you.
This bison did not read the keep out signs.
It did not really keep.
See, Chris, it's a proof. I told you.
It's a proof of what?
Just people.
That the bison can't read?
They write down over there.
You proved it, Ina.
Scissorized. Scissorized. Bison the proof, no it's not.
I have the high ground, bison.
Don't try it, bison.
Not going underground. He don't care.
If you look across the.
He's taking a leak. I can see it from here.
I see. I told him he don't care. Volcano, not volcano. He enjoy his life.
Did he drink the sulfur water?
I don't think so. Animals like it, Chris.
Oh yeah. You shake it, bison.
Where's he going?
Used as an experience.
Oh, he's taking a leak.
Another one. This guy.
I was putting on the shelf.
He probably had his.
He
fill
like a
from the sulfur.
dog.
He's creating another mini sulfur lake.
The sulfur lakes are actually created by the bison. They do what they want.
And he's still going.
I don't have no rules.
Nobody can stop him.
Seem
No
definitely
sheriff,
majestic.
no ranger, nobody. Closer.
The majestic bison are roaming the prairie, eating their weight in grass. It's a tough life for a bison.
Oh, look at Blondie over there.
This one's kind of an outcast. An ugly duckling, if you will.
Bye.
What are those? Is that
Сегодня 11 июля. Суббота. Yellowstone Park. Такие животные. Очень близко к нам. Пасутся и все равно. Около 5 вечера. Послушай. Около 5 вечера.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Another chewing food. Другой вот кушает. I see only head. Цветочки. Цветочки красивые.
Oh, there's one. Oh, there's a couple more. Look at that. There's 3 more in the background. There's a total of 6.
Where?
Way in the back. 1, 2, 3. Actually,
Whole
might
family.
actually be even a bit more. Might even be like 5 back there. I see a bunch of ears. 1, 2. See the other ones, Chris, way back there?
Yeah.
They do not scared of us. It's a whole family.
Curious what they're eating.
They look like they're eating
Вот еще в траве, вот там. Далеко. Еще двое. Вот они. They don't care, they just continue to eat.
Do you know if this
They get scared from motorcycle.
gave us a good shot, I guess.
Mm-hmm. When they lift
gotta
up
look at the
their
positive
heads.
side.
What a beautiful animals. They don't touch beautiful flowers at all. Иди красоту лить. Чей ты носик?
And the
Вкусная,
salad for these
сочная.
days.
Мгм. Вкусная, сочная травка. Отдыхает трое. Вот that one over there stand up. Вот тут встал животное-то. Не знаю, как их назвать. Антилопы, что ли. Не знаю, может, я ошибаюсь. Плохо знаю животных. Ну, люблю их. О,
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them way in
Угу.
shade.
Oh, I see so many. Ой, там еще
I think
много.
there's some little baby cat
Много-много
ones back
там
there, too.
вдалеке.
Yeah. Trying to determine if it's a certain deer or if it's a female moose. Caribou? Is it the elk cow? Can't, we got no Wi-Fi signal. It's hard. Can't Google anything.
This is good shot,
Yeah.
Chris.